Ever wondered what makes geckos some of the coolest creatures on Earth? From walking on ceilings to glowing in the dark, these tiny reptiles are full of surprises. Stick around because here are 50 fascinating facts about geckos. 1. Geckos belong to a group of reptiles called lizards. 2. There are over 1,500 species of geckos worldwide. 3. They live on every continent except Antarctica. 4. Many geckos can climb smooth surfaces like glass. 5. Their feet have millions of tiny hair-like structures called setae. 6. These structures use molecular forces to stick to surfaces. 7. Geckos can walk upside down on ceilings. 8. Unlike most lizards, geckos can make sounds. 9. Some species chirp, bark, or click. 10. The name gecko comes from a sound they make. 11. Geckos have excellent night vision. 12. Some species see color in the dark. 13. Their eyes are up to 350 times more sensitive than human eyes at night. 14. They don't have eyelids. 15. Instead, they lick their eyes to keep them clean. 16. Many geckos have sticky toe pads. 17. Others have claws for climbing rough surfaces. 18. Some geckos can glide through the air. 19. The flying gecko has flaps of skin for gliding. 20. Geckos can drop their tails to escape predators. 21. This is called autotomy. 22. Their tails can regrow over time. 23. The new tail is usually shorter. 24. Geckos store fat in their tails. 25. A thick tail often means a healthy gecko. 26. Most geckos are nocturnal. 27. Some are active during the day. 28. Day geckos are often brightly colored. 29. Many geckos are excellent hunters. 30. They eat insects like crickets and flies. 31. Larger geckos may eat small vertebrates. 32. Some species eat fruit and nectar. 33. Geckos help control insect populations. 34. They are important for ecosystems. 35. Many species live in tropical climates. 36. Others live in deserts. 37. The tokay gecko is known for its loud call. 38. Some geckos are popular pets. 39. The leopard gecko is one of the most common pet species. 40. Geckos can live up to 20 years in captivity. 41. They shed their skin regularly. 42. Some geckos eat their shed skin. 43. This helps them recycle nutrients. 44. Their skin can be soft or rough depending on species. 45. Some geckos can change color slightly. 46. This helps with camouflage and temperature control. 47. Geckos communicate through body language and sound. 48. Baby geckos are called hatchlings. 49. Most geckos lay eggs. 50. And some species give live birth. Which gecko fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing animal facts.